Howlite is a striking and fascinating gemstone, often admired for its beauty and unique properties. This mineral, primarily composed of calcium borosilicate hydroxide, is recognized for its soft, white appearance with delicate gray or black veining, resembling marble. While its smooth surface and pale hue make it look quite delicate, howlite is a robust stone with significant metaphysical and practical applications. The stone was first discovered in the 19th century by a Canadian chemist named Henry Howe, after whom it is named. However, its potential for use in jewelry and metaphysical healing only became widely known in the 20th century. Howlite's formation is a result of high heat and pressure over long geological periods, causing it to crystallize in the form of nodules or masses. These nodules, when polished, reveal the stunning aesthetic qualities that make howlite such a sought-after stone. While it is not as rare as some gemstones, its calming and grounding properties, combined with its affordability and accessibility, have made it a popular choice among gem collectors and spiritual practitioners alike. The most defining feature of howlite is its striking appearance. The stone's white base is often streaked with gray or black veins, giving it a unique and marble-like pattern. This veining is one of the key features that distinguish it from other white stones, and it has earned howlite a reputation for being both elegant and serene. The smooth texture and polished surface of howlite contribute to its desirability as a gemstone for both fine jewelry and decorative items. In the world of metaphysical healing, howlite is believed to have calming and soothing effects. It is often used as a tool for meditation, helping individuals to relax and center their thoughts. The stone is thought to absorb negative energy and stress, promoting emotional balance and stability. People who struggle with insomnia or overactive thoughts often turn to howlite for its reputed ability to bring about restful sleep. By placing howlite near the bed or under the pillow, individuals may find that their minds are quieted, allowing for a more peaceful night's sleep. Many individuals also turn to howlite for its spiritual properties. It is said to help with emotional healing, encouraging self-awareness and emotional expression. The stone is often used in the practice of mindfulness, promoting clarity of thought and assisting individuals in releasing suppressed emotions. Those who seek personal growth often use howlite as a tool to connect with their inner selves and to gain a deeper understanding of their emotional needs and desires. Howlite is also recognized for its ability to enhance communication. It is often referred to as the stone of calm communication, because it is thought to facilitate clearer, more articulate conversations. Whether used in personal or professional settings, howlite is believed to help individuals express themselves without fear of judgment, fostering healthier and more productive dialogues. This makes it particularly beneficial in situations where communication is key, such as during conflicts or negotiations. In the realm of jewelry, howlite is a versatile and popular material. It is commonly used in necklaces, bracelets, rings, and earrings, often in its polished form to highlight its natural beauty. Due to its softness on the Mohs scale, which ranges from 3.5 to 4, howlite can be easily carved and shaped into intricate designs, making it a favorite among jewelers and artisans. However, its softness also means that it can be prone to scratches, so it requires gentle handling and care to maintain its luster. Howlite is often dyed to resemble other gemstones, such as turquoise or lapis lazuli. These dyed variations are particularly popular in costume jewelry, where the stone's affordability allows it to mimic the appearance of more expensive gems. The dyed versions of Howlite retain their soothing properties while offering a more colorful alternative for those seeking vibrant, gemstone-like jewelry without the high price tag. This versatility has contributed to Howlite's popularity in fashion and jewelry design. The presence of Howlite in nature can be traced to various locations around the world. It is commonly found in regions with volcanic activity, where the high heat and pressure conditions allow the stone to form. Large deposits of Howlite have been discovered in Canada, the United States, and parts of Europe. However, it is most famously associated with the United States California region, where it was first discovered and identified in the 19th century. Its widespread availability in certain regions has made it an accessible gemstone for both collectors and those seeking its metaphysical benefits. In the field of geology, Howlite is an intriguing mineral because of its association with other minerals and its unique chemical composition. It is often found alongside minerals like borax and gypsum, as these substances share similar formation environments. While Howlite's primary use is in decorative and metaphysical applications, its chemical properties have also made it valuable in the industrial sector. Howlite is sometimes used as a raw material in the manufacturing of products like insulation, paint, and other industrial materials, thanks to its natural qualities that allow it to be used as a filler or stabilizer. Despite its many uses and benefits, Howlite does have a few limitations. Its relatively soft nature means that it can be easily scratched, which requires careful handling and storage, particularly when used in jewelry. Howlite's metaphysical properties, while widely celebrated, remain subjective, and scientific evidence supporting its healing and spiritual benefits is limited. While many people find comfort and healing through their interactions with Howlite, others may not experience the same effects. Nonetheless, the stone remains popular and highly regarded in the world of metaphysics, with numerous practitioners and enthusiasts swearing by its calming and grounding influence. In conclusion, Howlite is a versatile and captivating gemstone with a rich history and a wide array of applications. From its role as a calming tool for meditation to its presence in the jewelry world, Howlite offers both aesthetic appeal and metaphysical benefits. Though still shrouded in some mystery regarding its full potential, Howlite's ability to promote emotional balance, enhance communication, and provide soothing energy makes it a cherished stone for many. Whether for its beauty, healing properties, or industrial uses, Howlite continues to be a stone of intrigue and value in both spiritual and practical realms. Howlite's appeal goes beyond its aesthetic beauty and metaphysical properties, as it is also deeply integrated into various cultural traditions. In many cultures, gemstones like Howlite have been used as symbols of spiritual protection and guidance. The stone's soothing properties have made it a favorite among people seeking to enhance their spiritual practices or create a tranquil environment. Whether in the form of amulets or incorporated into ceremonial attire, Howlite has been a part of traditions that emphasize inner peace and emotional resilience. The use of Howlite in crystal healing has gained increasing popularity in recent years. Healers often place howlite in spaces where peace and relaxation are desired, such as living rooms or meditation areas, to create an atmosphere conducive to mental clarity and calm. By positioning the stone near areas of high stress, individuals can benefit from its reputation for absorbing negative emotions. Some practitioners suggest that howlite can even be placed on the body during relaxation practices or energy work, helping to unblock emotional energy and restore balance. For those who are new to the world of crystals and healing stones, howlite is often recommended as an excellent introductory gemstone due to its gentle, non-invasive nature. Unlike more powerful stones, such as amethyst or selenite, howlite is considered a stone that slowly integrates its energy into a person's life, making it ideal for beginners. The calming nature of howlite allows it to be used in daily practices without overwhelming its user. Many people begin by carrying a small piece of howlite in their pocket or wearing it as jewelry, gradually acclimating themselves to its presence before fully embracing its metaphysical properties. Additionally, howlite has been recognized for its ability to aid in overcoming negative patterns and self-destructive behaviors. It is believed that the stone helps users release anger, frustration, and emotional blockages, particularly those that stem from past traumas or unresolved feelings. In this way, howlite is seen as a tool for personal transformation, helping individuals to move past negative experiences and embrace healthier emotional habits. By promoting self-awareness and emotional healing, howlite allows users to move forward with greater peace and confidence. In the world of jewelry making, howlite's versatility is further enhanced by the variety of shapes and sizes it can be cut into. From cabochons to beads, howlite can be crafted into virtually any form, making it an ideal choice for both designers and DIY enthusiasts. Due to its popularity, many jewelry makers also use howlite as a cost-effective alternative to more expensive gemstones, offering an attractive option for those looking for stylish pieces on a budget. Whether used in minimalist designs or more elaborate creations, howlite's clean, elegant appearance makes it suitable for a wide range of jewelry styles. Howlite is also sometimes used in combination with other stones to create powerful healing combinations. For example, pairing howlite with stones like amethyst or rose quartz can amplify its soothing properties, offering enhanced emotional healing. Amethyst, known for its ability to promote spiritual growth, when combined with howlite, creates a balanced energy flow that nurtures both emotional and spiritual well-being. Similarly, combining howlite with rose quartz can enhance its ability to foster love, compassion, and emotional understanding, making it a popular choice for those seeking to improve their relationships with others. Despite its widespread use, howlite is still often misunderstood, especially in terms of its purported healing properties. While many people swear by its effectiveness, there is still a significant portion of the population that remains skeptical about the metaphysical properties of stones in general. However, the continued growth of the wellness and spiritual community has contributed to a broader acceptance of crystals like howlite as helpful tools for personal growth and emotional healing. As more people experiment with crystal healing and find success, howlite's reputation continues to grow, making it one of the most widely appreciated gemstones in the holistic community. In terms of practical care, howlite requires minimal maintenance. Due to its relatively low hardness, it is recommended that the stone be kept away from harsh chemicals, excessive friction, and direct sunlight, which could affect its appearance and luster. To maintain its beauty, howlite jewelry and stones should be cleaned gently with a soft cloth, and users are advised to store them separately from harder gemstones to prevent scratching. By taking these precautions, howlite can retain its pristine appearance for many years, continuing to serve as a calming presence in the lives of its owners. Another interesting aspect of howlite is its potential use as a teaching tool in educational settings. Geologists and mineralogists often use howlite as an example when teaching students about the different types of minerals and their properties. Its unique formation process and its geological significance make it a useful specimen for illustrating the concepts of crystallization, mineral structure, and chemical composition. By studying howlite, students can gain a better understanding of how different minerals form and how their properties relate to their real-world applications. Lastly, the widespread appeal of howlite is evident in the various industries that utilize it. While most people are familiar with howlite's use in jewelry, its role extends far beyond this industry. It is also used in the creation of decorative objects, home decor items, and even industrial products. For example, howlite is sometimes included in the production of tiles, figurines, and even polished stones for collectors. The stone's versatility in both artistic and practical domains showcases its broad appeal and enduring value in various sectors. In conclusion, howlite is much more than just a beautiful gemstone. It is a stone that offers emotional healing, spiritual insight, and practical applications. Whether worn as jewelry, used in healing practices, or studied as part of a scientific curriculum, howlite continues to captivate and inspire. Its calming energy, coupled with its accessibility and versatility, ensures that it will remain a beloved stone for generations to come, helping individuals in their journey toward emotional balance, personal growth, and deeper self-awareness.